Hi, I'm Mark Cantor. Thanks for visiting me at Cantor Injury Law. I want to talk to you for a moment about various types of insurance coverage. Insurance is very important. If you've been involved in a collision, a successful personal injury attorney is going to look for every possible avenue of recovery. And so today we're going to talk about uninsured motorist coverage, underinsured motorist coverage, and medical pay. When you buy insurance in Missouri, and you are required by law to buy insurance, and we'll talk about that in a minute, the minimum policy is $25,000 per occurrence. So what does that mean? Let's say that, God forbid, you're hit with your family in your car and you sustain injuries. If the person that hit you only had $25,000 of insurance, what are you going to do? You're going to collect the $25,000 of insurance per person. It's probably $25.50, so if there's 4 people in your car, everyone would get $12,500. Multiply that by 4, you're at $50,000, and that insurance policy is exhausted. So what do you do then? Underinsured motorist coverage is your answer, and that's insurance that you buy to protect yourself and your family if you're injured in a collision. And I personally carry a large amount of underinsured motorist coverage. So I would collect the $50,000 from the defendant, $25,000 per person, $50,000 per occurrence, and then I would look to my policy of insurance for the underinsured motorist coverage. Similarly, if the person that struck my family did not have insurance, I would apply for uninsured motorist coverage from my policy. So even if the other person didn't have any insurance, if I have $500,000 of uninsured motorist coverage, $1 million per occurrence, I would get all, I hope that this would never happen, but if we were damaged and injured, I could potentially get all $1 million, $1 million as a result of insurance that I bought for that occurrence. Not only that, but in Missouri, you can stack uninsured motorist coverage. So if I have $250,000 of uninsured motorist coverage and I have 4 vehicles, I could potentially get $1 million, assuming that my injury warranted it, from uninsured motorist coverage. Lastly, there's med pay. Med pay is insurance that's separate from your health insurance that you get with your car, that says if you're involved in an auto collision and you're in a car, you can get medical payments up to a certain amount. Usually it's $2,000 or $5,000. I personally have $10,000 of med pay insurance, so that if I'm injured and I'm able to sue the other side, I still get my med pay. Even if I have health insurance, it's a separate agreement. So listen, if you're injured in an auto collision, you need to look at every avenue of recovery. And the last month alone, I had a $250,000 offer in a case, and the insurance company said that's the policy limits. We were able to find another $100,000 of insurance and settle the case for $350,000. In another matter, similarly, they offered us $250,000 and they said that's the insurance coverage, and we found another policy of insurance and got $475,000. That's a big difference. That's a result of good lawyering. That's a result of looking under every stone and finding all avenues of recovery. And I never go into a case thinking it's frivolous, okay? I fight every single case hard, which means I'm looking for all the policies of insurance. If I don't believe your case has merit, I won't take it. This isn't gaming the system. I'm not cheating anyone. I'm simply looking for every avenue of recovery. That's what we do at Cantor Injury Law. So I know this was long. I hope it was informative to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, 314-628-9999. Thank you for watching.